There's a new update for Vivo X Fold 3 Pro. Let's open the device. We have a beautiful device. And let's see that update. And the update should be up there. That's the latest one. And what it says is optimize basic photo effects for the front camera to provide better photo taking experience. Basic photo effects, I don't know. Optimize the default and shadow overcast days and highlights in indoor scenarios to provide overall better photo with a rear camera. Oh, we're gonna test that. Fingerprint sensor, face recognition and password, home screen, lock screen, wallpapers, notification status bar, multimedia, game mode. I don't have any issue with game mode. Or albums, flex mode, system. Important Google security parts to improve the system security. And pause the video if you want to read that. So the update is already done. Let's start with maybe wallpapers first. Let me change. Okay, that's not the case. Let me change the wallpaper for something else. Look how quick everything will change. That is superb. Of course, we do have some live wallpapers, which is super cool. And for some reason, okay, I've downloaded them all. I like this one. Look. How sick is that? That's super cool. I've connected buds to it, and it sounds great. It's really good. There you go. You can also have an AI wallpaper if you wanted to. But you know what? AI wallpapers, you can... Alright, let's do Cyberpunk. Robot. Visit the universe. And it's generating the wallpaper. And it's fairly quick. It's the AI for you, my friend. AI. Alright. Give it to me. Loading. Okay. That's really good. And then find my favorite, which is this one. By the way, you can download way, way, way more. Okay, I wanna put it. Is it done? It is done. That's super cool. I like this one. All right. What about gallery? Because it says it's improved. We have very nicely separated all the albums, all the selfies, landscapes. That is super nice. Wow. It's taking all kinds of beautiful photos. All kinds. Anyway. It says it improved selfies. Let me show you a couple of them. I already took a couple of them. And it really improved. It's a front-facing camera, which wasn't great. But with the software, they make it better. Okay, we do have some, beauty mode enabled. Just my skin is not that smooth. Damn. But still, that is really, really, really good. But it's nowhere near the ultra. I have that ultra photo somewhere on here. There it is. An ultra photo from the ultra. Now the quality is like, wow. Now that's a huge difference. Remember that the ultra is dedicated for the camera. That's insane quality. If I go closer, look at the eyes and everything. That is. I have to get my. Anyway, quality is vastly superior. But of course, like I said, that's the ultra for you. So selfies are improved. Front-facing camera is improved. The gallery is improved. Everything works smooth like butter. Let me test that fingerprint. Let me turn off. All right, that was a face recognition, and I'm gonna on the side. Now it won't find my face because I'm like hiding. Fingerprint. Oh, just like that. Look how quick that is. Okay, there's a washing machine going crazy at the background. Sorry for the sound. That is quick, really, really quick. And of course, a fold experience with different apps. For example, YouTube. And if I go, bam, like that, it works nicely. So what does that all mean? It means that I accidentally find some money, which is 20 euro. It's not euro, it's not 20 euro, it's 20 Polish zloty. It looks weird, yeah? It's small, and anyway, it doesn't matter. And the Vivo is great again. It was great, but now it's even better. Oh, those updates are coming constantly. It could be yours. Link in the description for you for the fantastic price and additional discount for you. And that's all I got. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.